Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good. I'm so sorry to have taken this long to upload another video. Thank you for being so patient with me, and to all my new subbies, I see you and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I need to shout out a special subscriber, Joshua. This video is going to be a first impression product review video. I've been using both of the products mentioned for a while now, and so I've also included some suggestions for use. This works really well for me. I used it back when I was relaxed, then went natural, and now that I'm relaxed again, I still use this. Especially on my natural hair, it detangles my hair so well, or it used to detangle my hair so well. Now that it's almost finished, I decided to buy another leave-in conditioner to see how it compares. I didn't wait for it to be completely out because what I plan on doing is doing half of my hair with my Mega Grow, and the other half of my hair I'm going to be using this Cantu leave-in conditioner. So this is my hair now 100% air dried. So since I already used this when I was air drying, now I'm going to use my oil, then I'm going to use my cream. This is the consistency of the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. It's very smooth. Okay, so that's this side. Now for the Cantu side. So this is the consistency of this one. It feels a little more stiff. It's definitely stiffer than my Mega Grow leave-in conditioner. So this is my hair with the Cantu. My hair feels really sticky. I don't like how my hair is feeling. It feels very like clammy. Almost like I need to wash it out. And let me put some more oil on it. As you can see, it's like, it's a little bit more movement. Over here, it's just fighting. I don't know. I really don't know how I feel about this side. I'm almost worried. The reason I'm worried is this. I like to use products that are very smooth and help with gliding. But when I use a product like this one, in rubbing it in my hands, I could feel the resistance, and so in applying it to my hair and brushing my hair, it's almost as if I'm also feeling that resistance, and that can definitely cause breakage. I'm not sure how I feel about this. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna style my hair in two, this half versus this half, and then when I get back from work, I'm gonna see how it feels and what I think then. Before we jump into the results, let's talk about some of the best ways to use these products. The Cantu Argan oil has absolutely no proteins in it. That's quite different from the Cantu Shea butter, which has proteins in it, which is probably why some persons say that the Cantu Shea butter might make their hair feel a bit dry. This one though, the Cantu Argan oil, no proteins, and so it's ideal for dry hair. I find that when you use it as a leave-in, it's better if you use it on damp hair, and that's really what the instructions recommend. When I use it on damp hair or even wet hair, I find that I don't have to use as much, and so I don't get that sticky feeling that I was complaining of early on in the video. Because it has no proteins in it, you can also use this as a daily moisturizer. It does an excellent job of getting your hair really soft. Depending on what kind of products you combine it with, the Cantu can definitely tame frizz. I find that when I use it with my regular combination of products, my frizz is definitely under control when I'm air drying. I find that when you use a small amount, it works out best. There are times when I use too much and then my hair got over moisturized and it was basically soft and mushy. So this Cantu Argan oil is definitely ideal for relaxed, natural, texturized, sex lax, whatever hair type. I find it does a good job at moisturizing dry hair. The Profectiv Mega Growth is a protein-based leave-in, so it has proteins in it, a bunch, and so it's more comparable to the Cantu Shea Butter. Because of the proteins that are in it, it can definitely help to strengthen your hair. I would never recommend though that you use this daily. Daily use doesn't mean better. Daily use of a protein-based product like this one can definitely dry your hair out and then cause breakage. I like to use the Profectiv Mega Growth on some wash days because it definitely helps with detangling, for my hair type at least. I wouldn't recommend that you use it every wash day if you wash your hair every week, but probably if you wash your hair for maybe like every 2 weeks, you could consider it that time. It's super lightweight, and so I find that if you use it for blow drying your hair, it doesn't weigh your hair down at all. Like the Cantu Argan oil, it too can tame frizz, depending on what products you're using it with. Hey guys, so I am back with part 2 of this to see really what's happening. I went ahead and I gave myself these 2 little braids. They're so cute, I don't even want to take them down, but at least I'll know for the future which products are best for moisturizing my hair when I'm going to do a style like this, or something that I'm going to keep in for a little bit. This side is the Cantu side. It feels soft, I must say, it feels soft. It doesn't feel the way it did when I just put in the product. It's as if when I just put the product in, it needed to dry or so, and no, it has. So it feels good. I think it looks good too for this kind of style. So this is this side. Let's check out the Profectiv Mega Grow Leave-In Conditioner side. I don't know if it's just me, but this side looks a little shinier to me. And bear in mind, I use oil on both sides, so this side feels nice too, and it feels soft, but the Mega Grow side feels smoother. Am I partial? Which side? Do they look the same? So, what you gonna be?